Hi, welcome to Fish on Fridays. I'm Al McCauley, and today I want to talk about football. I am a big football fan, and when it comes to college football in particular, there's no team greater than Notre Dame. Big Notre Dame fan. And I want to talk about a specific game that happened in October of 1922. And no, I was not around at the time. In October of 1922, Notre Dame was playing one of their great rivals, Georgia Tech. And these two gentlemen in particular played a key role, Jim Crowley and Noble Kaiser. They were offensive linemen on the famed Knute Rockne's team. And they were losing 3-0 late in the fourth quarter against Georgia Tech. And they were close to scoring, and they got into the huddle, and there was no play being called. They didn't know what to call because nothing had been working. And so they just kind of spontaneously broke out and started praying the Hail Mary together. And after that, they broke the huddle. They went, and the next play, they scored a touchdown. They kicked the ball off the next series. 1, 2, 3 and out. Georgia Tech gets the ball, punts the ball back to Notre Dame. Notre Dame goes down the field, and they're on the goal line again with just a few seconds left. And they get into the huddle, and these two linemen said, "You know, it worked last time. Let's do it again." So they prayed the Hail Mary again. They went up to the line, and they scored a touchdown. They ended up winning. Notre Dame won 13-3 that day. I'm telling you that because it is the birth in football of the Hail Mary play. Now, what we normally associate with the Hail Mary comes from the very first, our modern understanding that comes from a 1975 playoff game between the Cowboys and the Vikings. Roger Staubach was quarterbacking the Cowboys, and they were losing. It was a playoff game, and he had to let the ball fly. It was the last seconds, and he backed up, and he said after the game, "All I did was I threw the ball, and I prayed the Hail Mary, and it came down into the waiting hands of Drew Pearson, his wide receiver, and they scored a touchdown." Our modern understanding of that particular play in football, the Hail Mary, it really relates back to that Dallas Cowboy victory. But it had its origin in the Notre Dame game, and it was rooted in an actual prayer, the actual Hail Mary in the huddle, not just once but twice. So just one more way, our culture is influenced by our faith and our heritage, and it's something that it's good to know so that we can be proud of it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them. In the meantime, be good to each other, and God bless.